Hello everyone, I am Arun Sai from MPC second year of AV College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Hyderabad, Telangana. Today I am explaining about phenyl azobutanaphthol and the requirements for this experiment are aniline, dilute HCl, beta-naphthol, sodium hydroxide, sodium acetate and sodium nitrite. Take clean and dry boiling test tube and keep aside. And now take 1 ml of aniline by using measuring jar. And then add this 1 ml of aniline into this boiling test tube. Keep this reaction mixture in ice cold water for 5 minutes. Take 5 ml of dilute HCl by using measuring jar. And add this 5 ml of dilute HCl to the 1 ml of aniline. Saturated solution of sodium nitrite. And now take sodium nitrate into a test tube. We prepared saturated solution of sodium nitrate solution, and now keep this solution in ice cold water. Take clean and dry test tube and add sodium acetate into this test tube. And add distilled water to it. And keep this sodium acetate solution in ice cold water. Contains beta-naphthol and sodium hydroxide. And take 4 ml of this solution in this test tube. And keep this test tube in this ice cold water. We kept 4 test tubes in ice cold water. In these 4 test tubes, the first one, the test tube contains 1 ml of aniline and 5 ml of dilute HCl. And the second test tube contains saturated solution of sodium nitrate solution. And the third test tube contains sodium acetate, and the fourth test tube contains the solution of beta-naphthalene sodium hydroxide. Take out the first test tube, which contains 1 ml of aniline and 5 ml of HCl, and add saturated solution of sodium nitrite to this solution by shaking. And shake this test tube gently. Now add sodium acetate to this solution. Now take the fourth test tube, which contains beta-naphthol and sodium hydroxide. Add this solution to the first test tube. And shake this test tube gently. Diazotization reaction takes place in this test tube. Finally, the PPT which is formed in this test tube is phenyl azo beta-naphthol. We have prepared successfully phenyl azo beta-naphthol. I am very thankful to the chemistry department of AV College of Arts, Commerce and Science, head of the department Jagan Mohan Reddy sir. I am very thankful to the Jagan Mohan Reddy sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for watching the video.